The Willow Wren and the Bear. Once in the summertime, there was a bear and a wolf were walking in the forest. While walking, the bear heard some birds singing so beautifully. Then the wolf enlightened the bear that the bird singing was the king of the birds, while in reality, the bird was the willow wren. Then the bear came out of the idea that he must see the royal palace. But the wolf convinced the bear that it is not done quite as he seemed to think. As they were waiting until the Lord and Lady Queen have gone away, the bear couldn't rest until he had seen the royal palace. So when a short time had passed, the bear sneaked in and saw 5 or 6 young ones lying there in the nest. After seeing the palace, the bear was so shocked because he couldn't believe what he saw. He said that those children are unhonorable and disreputable. The young wrens were so angry and screamed that they are not, and their parents are honest people. They also said that the bear will pay for what he said. When the bear and the wolf turned back to their caves, the young willow wren continued to cry and scream. After a moment, their parents arrived to bring them food, but they refused to eat that because of what happened. They told their parents that a bear came into their palace and insulted them. That's why they refuse to eat until their parents have settled whether they are respectable children or not. And that's how the king said that the bear shall be punished. And because of that, the king and the queen flew over the bear's cave to tell them that they will suffer for what they did and be punished by a blood war. Therefore, the war has been announced. When the king and queen announced that they are going to suffer and punished by a bloody war, the bear and all 4-footed animals in the land have been summoned to be part of it, as well as the willow wren summoned everything who are flying in the air to join them. When the time came for the war to begin, the willow wren sent a spy to forest in order for them to know their tactics and secrets to win the battle. The spy already knew their tactics and immediately reported it to the king. After that, they created a plan to counter it. When the war started, they focused on the fox who will give the signal to make the land animals go for the charge. The fox died on a sting and so they lost the battle. The king and queen have won. When the king and queen flew back to their home, they were so happy to tell them that they have won the war and their children can finally rejoice, eat, and drink to their heart's content. But suddenly, the young wrens doesn't want to celebrate yet because they have one more condition, which is the bear must come to their nest and beg for pardon and say that they are honorable children. The king and queen flew back to the forest to tell the bear the condition of the children, and the bear have no choice because they will rip his body until it is broken. The bear accepted it and go to the palace to make peace with the young willow wrens. The bear accepted the condition with his greatest fear and begged for their pardon. He is sorry for what he did and now paying for it. After that, the young wrens were satisfied and sat down together to eat and rejoice of the success that they have overcome.